Everyone's talking about AI, but nobody's telling you how to actually make money with it. I've coached hundreds of 7, 8, and 9-figure business owners, and if I had to start from scratch in 2025, these are the exact 6 AI tools I'd build to create massive value and generate real income. The first one will change your life. AI in sales. If I was starting over today, I'd get a traditional job in a $5 to $10 million business, probably home services, and I would be the one that would blow up their sales. And I wouldn't exactly tell them how I was doing it. I would just let the results speak for themselves. Once those results were huge, because what I'd be doing is I would be using AI tools behind the scenes. Then what I'd do when the results spoke for themselves, I'd be talking to them about how I could become a future partner. Most people don't understand how important it is to take inbound calls and ask the right questions in order to set up the sale. But you know what? AI does. If this is something you want to try, focus first on becoming a great salesperson, a great communicator, and then automate with AI and let it do the work for you. The second opportunity is the hidden gold mine in small business. They don't even realize they're breaking the law. The first thing I would do, I'd find an ambitious lawyer who's really good at business, and then I'd partner with them. I would watch and listen to how they handle all the things that come up in small business, and I'd create an AI tool to answer questions for prompts around those type of problems. And I would go out to business owners and tell them, why pay a lawyer thousands of bucks an hour when you could simply ask my AI tool how and what you should do about these situations. Most business owners have no idea if the decisions they're making are actually legally correct. This is such an interesting opportunity because creating a tool like this doesn't just protect businesses and the business owners, it builds trust, authority, and a recurring revenue stream. Number 3, AI in business operations. What I would do if I was starting over is I would go find an older business owner with a $5 to $10 million business, probably some kind of blue collar business like HVAC or windows or roofing or something that I know there's an absolute market for that in the marketplace. And then I would go in and study the operations. I'd understand cause and effect. When you do something, what's the expected outcome and how to replicate that. And then I would build an AI tool for business operations, and that would allow everyone else to have a shortcut to success, and it would show the business owner they can trust me and I know what I'm doing. Becoming the person who actually builds that system makes you an essential part of the business, and it gives you leverage to either acquire the business in the future or certainly secure a long-term role. This tool is really what I would say creates the unlocking the potential, because what you're doing is creating something that would allow everyone else in the organization to have a shortcut to success. Next is opportunity number 4. AI-driven market data is the most underutilized advantage in business. What I would do is I would find a series of business owners that were all running the same type business. Once I qualified that they were successful, I'd ask them how they would handle the most important things that a business owner needs to know to drive value in their business. Then I would build AI tools in order to replicate that across anyone in the business that's struggling or trying to grow that business. For example, let's say I'm working with an automotive repair shop. I'd want to understand how many times do the lifts go up and down, how much revenue per hour do they generate, what kind of service protocols are they using, what type of repairs are they engaging in, and what are the most valuable moments where a car goes up and down. And then I'd build an AI tool that would ask questions or look at things of cars that came in order to drive the highest value possible in the fastest amount of time. And I would build all of that using AI. AI tools like this give business owners insights that would normally take weeks or months to research. An AI tool like this has massive potential because it isn't just chained to one industry or one person like the automotive industry. It can be used for everything. Number 5 is next, and it's a no-brainer: an AI financial planning and budgeting tool. If I was working for one of those small businesses again, I would figure out how to create the AI tool to do budgeting that takes in sales tax, sales, gross profit, gross margin, and it would look at profitability, revenue per employee, whatever programming I would give to it in order to understand how to drive maximum value in that business. I would then take that budgeting tool, use it in the business to show the teams how to add more value to grow the business by 50% or more in revenue, and what that would drive in profitability. And then I would tie in the current valuation methodologies of that business to show the business owner and the teams how much more overall value we could create in the business. Once proven that it works, I might even ask for a piece of it. Most business owners don't use any proper financial resources for their business. Remember that these tools provide value because they make it easy to visualize growth and show business owners and their teams exactly how much more their business could be worth. Lastly, this opportunity is so hot right now. Imagine AI-powered content ideas that transform a business owner's life. So think about it. Most business owners have no idea what to promote in their business. But imagine a world where we interviewed the top 5 best clients and understood why they did business with those business owners. And then we could create an AI tool to ask people questions for why they do business with the business, but also the things that grab their attention to do business with that business owner. And then the AI tool could populate and generate ideas to continue to generate content that the business owner could post in order to have high engagement with clients that want to spend money with them. Even small businesses want to feel like they have a global brand ambassador to help them position their business. And this tool gives them the power to do that. Older business owners are often intimidated by technology, but will see you as a genius if you can give them the scripts, the images, the instructions, just the things they need to follow to be successful. If you like this content but aren't ready to make the leap yet, check out my video on how you can still become a millionaire on a 9-to-5 salary.